Alright guys, so it's that time again. We're about to go on a road trip. Let's go.
Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida que nos hace tan feliz.
We are going on another road trip. Would you like to tell the world where we're headed today?
There's gonna be storms. Hurry up, love! The storms are coming! That kind of storms.
Part 2.
So there's a lot of flaws to this whole trip. We're going to Colorado. Let me tell you some of the flaws. We don't have any money. We're driving on summer tires. We don't have any money. And we're driving on summer tires. Life is. Did I mention, guys? We don't have any money. And we're driving on summer tires.
Hopefully, we will survive. But we are currently in Vacaville. We just picked up something to eat.
For free by McDonald's. Thank you, McDonald's, for sponsoring this video. No, I'm kidding.
We went to 2 separate McDonald's because you can only use 1 code at a time. So this is their
Because I have hella points.
second stop. So far, we're off to a good start. Since we don't have any monies. Because we're just 2 broke people. See you laters.
See you guys. Adios. Alright guys, so we just arrived to Donner Pass rest stop. We are on our way to Truckee to go charge up. We will continue this route, so keep watching and see where we end up tonight.
Keeping on.
Keep on keeping on. See you guys. Bye. Alright guys, we are here in Reno. What is that place? El Dorado. So we're out here in Reno. We're supercharging right now, as you can tell by the little T all the way back there. T is 30 minutes. She's all mix. All minerals. Look at her boogers! I saw her boogers!
I probably do have boogers in there.
Alright, so yeah, we're here. We're gonna charge for a little bit and then go to Lovelock. See you guys, bye. Alright, so we just arrived to Lover's Lock Plaza. We're gonna go see if we can find our lock and then head over to Supercharge and then we're out.
I'm walking back to the car because this man, all the way back there, is forever leaving his phone in the car. Phone is secured. His phone is now in his pocket and not inside the car like a crazy madman. But we had an interesting interaction. There was a girl.
All right, so that was a pretty interesting little interaction before we got out of the car. So that was pretty fun. That was pretty cool seeing somebody, you know, wanting to check out our channel. So if you see this, you know who you are. I don't know your name, but you can comment on the video. Let me know. So thank you. So, are you ready to find our lock?
Your place is my place. No, my place is your place. Let's face it. Baby, you know all the places.
All right, guys. Here it is. There it is.
See it? See the names and everything?
No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do.
We found it.
And now we got a supercharge and we got to get back on the road.
We found it. It's still there. It still exists. But it is super cold out here. We are going to go back in the car. We're going to drive down the street. We're going to go charge the car and continue our road trip. See you guys later.
No, look, my life is different now. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy how much happier I am. But it's also like, you know, how many like friends I've lost or family members I've lost where I've just not in contact with. Especially after like the whole thing that had happened with my whole big old breakup thing. It's just, things are different. Things are different, but I'm doing so much better. Like I never would have thought that I would be in a much better place than I was before. Like ever, in a much better place. So, man, it's just true. Life is beautiful.
All right, we are almost out of here. We just got a supercharge for 10 more minutes, and then we are out. We're gonna go get the hotel room that we just reserved a little bit ago. But look at that, big old chunks of snow. Big old chunks of snow. Woo! Look at that, big old chunks of snow. Wow. We are in Elko, Nevada. It is starting to really snow, as you can tell. It's looking pretty good. We charged up to 93%. We got about 113-mile drive, so an hour and 50 minutes. There's a little bit of traffic I can see on the map on certain sections, and it might be a little bit of a stop on certain sections, which is making me believe that there is snowfall up there, and I'm a little worried. But you know what? What's the worst that can happen? Let's find out. Let's find out if anything can happen. I hope nothing happens, but let's just make it because I want to go to sleep now. So we'll see you guys as we get to the hotel. All right, bye. OMG, so my screen started glitching a little bit. It's so cold out here, 27 degrees. I can't even see the lines on the road. I'm just going based off of me being in the center of these posts and lines. But I can't even see, like, I know the camera sees it a little bit better than what I see, but when you're here in the flesh, you really can't tell what the hell's going on. Like, where's what? Look at the road. Look at it's. Oh my god. You cannot see. This is scary as hell. Oh my god. Where am I? Okay. I don't know how thick this snow is, but I gotta drive slow, guys. Alright. This is crazy. This is crazy. I just want to get to the hotel already. I just want to get to the hotel. Oh, dang. Dang. Woo.
In 1 mile, take exit 410 on the right onto US 93, alternate toward West Wendover, Louis.
So, do you guys ever take a black light with you? You guys want to see? Let's go. Let me turn off the light. Oh man, look at. Let's see if we can see anything else. I see something there. Something. Does that mess with you guys? You can't see that good here on camera, but I can hella see it. Watch. Yeah. That's for you guys right there.
Alright guys, it is currently 2:03 in the morning. We arrived to West Wendover in Nevada, and we checked in to our room. We checked the bedding just to make sure that everything was okay, checked everything else. Adrian's in the bathroom right now and we're about to go to sleep. So stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll see you then.
They just paint in the blue, and I can see the shade